Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally had a chance to play with Colourpop's Grandeur palette today. So out of the three palettes, this is the most neutral one compared to the other two. We have the blue one, the red one, and now the neutral one. So again, the graphic design on this package, superb. I love the floral prints here. It's just so beautiful and grand that I had to put on a fancy top just for this palette. I know I can be extra sometimes, but in any case, let's go over the process of my eye makeup look today, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinion about this palette at the end of the video. So the first shade that I had decided to place down, and of course it's the transition shade, is this color called Velvet, and Velvet is described as a matte mid-tone taupe. I don't really see the taupe in this color, but I'll just swatch this for you guys. So this is the lightest brown shade within this palette, and it is a great transition color. I feel like when I pressed my finger on this shade, it created a lot of powdery, buttery smooth feel. So it swatched pretty nice on my arm. And I have no issue with the fallout of this shade, even though it feels really powdery when swatched. Of course, make sure to tap off the excess of any eyeshadows that you're applying onto your lids from your brush. It just helps with the fallout, if that makes sense. To deepen out my transition shade a little bit more, I went in with another brown shade called Dusk, and this is described as a matte settle brown, and I love this shade. This shade doesn't feel as buttery or as creamy as Velvet. So Dusk is just a shade deeper than Velvet, and these combo of these two brown shades on my lids is just, it goes so nicely together. I love these brown shades. And to amp it up a little bit more, I went in with Mode. So this is described as a matte warm chestnut brown. So this has a little bit of reddish tones in it. And this color just helped smoke out my eyes a bit more, and I just placed that on the outer corners just to intensify that smokiness. And for my lid shade, I decided to go in with Lavish. It's described as a metallic warm bronze with blue and silver. Lavish is definitely a gorgeous bronzy type of shade for all over the lids. I'm definitely seeing some silver and blues in it, more of silver than blue, but this is a gorgeous lid shade. And I feel like this is a great standalone shade if you guys don't want to put anything on your lids and you want that one standalone shade. This would be it. It's a gorgeous shade. For my inner corner and brow bone, I went in with House, and this is described as a metallic pale gold. I love this shade. So I absolutely love this highlight shade within this palette. It just helps brighten up your eye makeup look. And I actually off camera placed it a little bit on the center of my lids to make my eyeshadow appear to pop even further. And oh my gosh, this is a beautiful shade. So moving on to my lower lash line, I decided to go in with Julie first, or it's a Jolie. Jolie, this is described as a matte sparkle blackened brown with gold pinpoints, and this is a gorgeous black brown shade. So I feel like Jolie swatched a little bit patchy, but this is a great color to help smoke out any eye makeup look. This is a great deep black and brown shade. And then I believe I used a little bit of Dusk to kind of help blend out that dark shade, just so that it looks smooth on my lower lash line. And then to top everything off, I decided to go in with the middle glitter shade called Excess, and this is described as Pale Antique Glow Glitter, and it's just what the description said. So I'm probably gonna get glitter all over me for swatching this shade, but this is a beautiful gold glitter. If you guys are into glitter and if you guys are into gold in general, this shade is probably for you guys. That was a lot of fun to swatch. And then I topped it off, of course, with the Dodo lashes in, I believe, D335. I don't have any eyeliner or anything like that. I just decided to go in with dramatic lashes just to emphasize the eye makeup look a little bit more. And then for my cheeks, I am using, from the same collection, the Colourpop's Palatial blush. Is just a warm kind of corally blush. This is a gorgeous shade, and I love anything peachy, warm, corally shades on my cheeks. And then I went in with Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in 100 Molten Gold, and it's just a nice kind of like a champagne rose gold type of shade. And I love Maybelline highlighters. They work really nice on the cheeks. And then for my lips, I have combination of Huda Beauty lip liner in Spice Girl, and this is a gorgeous type of nudie dark brown. And then I went in with MAC lipstick in Blankety, and I haven't wore this lipstick in a long time. So this is a very pale, nude, gorgeous color, and the combo of a dark lip liner and nude lipstick goes really nicely together. And then of course I topped it off with the Maybelline lip gloss. I believe this is in Pearl. I'll just swatch that for you guys. This is a very beautiful glossy silver specks kind of shade. It just makes my lips look so juicy, and I love these Maybelline, the new Maybelline lip glosses. I'm kind of late on the game with Makeup World, but I'm just going at my own pace. You know, this is not a race nor a marathon. It's just do whatever you please, you know, in your own time. And you know, makeup is expensive as well, so please try to go at your own pace, and it will always be there. And if you miss out on it, there's always gonna be a new release, so you're not missing out on anything. My final thoughts on this palette is a positive one yet again. I think honestly, if I have to pick one, it would be this one, the Grandeur palette, because I am happy with all of the brown shades within this palette. I love the highlighting shade as well, and these deep shades that I haven't had a chance to try out. They look gorgeous as well. So pretty much I am very happy with this palette. So I would recommend getting the Grandeur palette out of these three. If you guys love cool tones and warm tones, choosy. If you're a basic bitch like me, then you will probably like this one the most. So anyways, enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys next time. Bye.